Now, I just got through dusting my cabbage and all that, cauliflower, collards, broccoli, all that good stuff. And then I just watered with a hose and kind of knocked off a little bit of these. So I want to go back and make sure they are adjusted pretty well so they can't be cotton. Now I forgot these guys. They're on the ground over here. Forgot these, so I'm going to get those right now. Because there's some cabbage butterflies flying around. So I want to make sure that these guys are protected, because they will eat them and kill them. You already noticed that some of these leaves are starting to pick up. They were laying down just a few minutes ago. I needed water, so I did that. Now, one of them are completely saturated with water, unfortunately, because the hose went one way. And so I'm just going to go ahead and redust this whole thing again. No big deal. There we go. You just touch up when you make a mistake. No big deal. It's a learning experience, and if you fail, plant something else. You keep going, keep learning. You'll catch on to it. That's it, folks.